Hello, our little learners. How are you? Let's learn the numbers with colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now let's see our colors. Purple color, brown color, pink color, green color, sky color, red color, orange color. Let's start.
All fall down, sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady.
1. Sky color.
Wood and clay, build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away.
Number 2. Green color.
Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady. Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair
Number 3. Pink color.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
A B C D E F G H I J K L
4. Purple color.
Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time,
5. Brown color.
me.
6. Red color.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Seven. Orange color.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
8. Pink color.
Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart and bull turns over, Mama's gonna
Number 9. Sky color.
And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.
1, 0. 10. Brown color.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling
Okay friend, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.